Hello there. In my last session, I discussed these points. Uh, for your understanding, I discuss this again. Okay. So, first, what you done in your PCB making? First, you print your layout by Eagle software. Okay. Then these layouts, uh, this layout, okay, of your PCB is finalized. Okay, this is the final process in your software. Okay, so if you make some mistakes in your layout, so fully printed circuit board, uh, these boards, okay, are fully spoiled. Okay, these boards are not working. Okay, uh, after your layout, when you make your layout in Eagle, okay, you make this layout very carefully. Okay, where is your I show you how to fix your error in layout. Okay, in Eagle software. Okay, where is your error? Where is this is what these are errors? Okay, so I show you. Okay, later. So after this finalized your layout done, you go move for hardware implementing. Okay, so in your first step moves this process a tree. Okay, this process tree is the section of the type of board to be used for PCB manufacturing. Okay, so first step involves in this process the tree process. Okay, tree selections. Okay, selection process are used. Which selection process? The material selection. Material selection is very important. Which material are used? Non-conductive or conductive material. Okay, for layer to layer. Okay, if your PCB board layer is much more than 6 layer or more than 2 layers, 4 layer. Okay, so there is a selection process are very important. Okay, all are discussed how to layer selection. Okay, how to generate your layer. Okay, by this layout. Okay, I discuss this later. Okay, after this material is selected, then picked up for cleaning. Okay, followed by tape rolling and board handling. Okay, PCB board then gets ready for printing. Okay, after this material are selected, okay, your board, okay, or your film where you print your layout, final layout. Okay, you select a film. Okay, first you select your film. Okay, then another one is required, that is the board. Okay, where you fixed your film. Okay, uh, on this board. Okay, you fixed your board on fixed your film on this board by this stepping. Okay, if this board or this film are moved uh, by default, this move, okay, one position to another position, these are the very critical for printing. Okay, because the machines are printing this board automatically. Okay. So these are the important. Okay. At this point, after that, at this point, you fix this. Okay. At this, PCB design should be ready and printed black. Okay, on the transparent paper. After this, film are fixed in your board. Okay. You see here. I'm going to show you. These are the cardboards. Okay. And this is the film. Okay, you see here. After this, you printed black. Okay, this layout are printed black. Okay, on this film. Okay. After this black printed, the designs are placed on a dried silk screen. Okay. This layout film. Okay, is ready for silk screen process. Okay, the dry process. Okay, I already tell you the silk screen process are dry process. So design are placed on the dried silk screen. Okay. In this case, the silk screen PCB design should be placed on a prepared silk fabric. The way you would like the writing or the making to appear on PCB. Okay, which are appear this silk screen. Okay, in your this film. Okay, after this layout. Okay. After this, it is important to make sure that the PCB design paper does not move. Okay, I already told you the PCB design are not moving respect to your cardboard. Okay, so this film or silk screen. Okay, this design. Okay, this is a layer. This is one layer, this is screen is another layer. So this layer are not moving to each other respect to this cardboard. Okay. This can be done by fixing the design firmly on the surface using transparent tape. Okay. So this is using transparent tape. Okay. When this is done, the whole setup, the silk screen and the attached designs. Okay, silk screen and attached design means your layout. This is a one layer. Silk screen is the another layer. This is a step by step layer are attached to each other by this transparent tape. Okay. Respect to this cardboard. Okay. Is turned upside down, such that the design face downwards. Okay. Design face downward. Okay. And its upward size in silk screen. Okay. The top side of it is then covered with the dark cardboard. Okay. So top side is here covered with dark cardboard. Okay. The black type of cardboard are used. Okay, so after that you expose the ultraviolet light. Okay, for 15 minutes. Okay, in machine these are done in PCB making machines. Okay, this is this all designs with this cardboard. Okay, which I pick where we fix these layers. Okay, film to film. These are put in ultraviolet light, expose ultraviolet light for 15 minutes. After when the PCB silk screen artwork is finally developed. Okay, when this PCB silk screen are developed, we expose for ultraviolet light for 15 minutes in the automated circuit board making machine. To expose the next step, we expose the developed screen cell screen template. Okay, we will pressurize the water for washing the emulsion part that are not exposed to ultraviolet light. Okay. So which are after this 15 minutes, the unexposed portion of this process, unexposed portion, okay, unexposed portion means which are not required in my PCB. Okay, so these are removed by this pressurized water. These are not good pressurized water. Um, Another process is the etching process. Okay. Etching process is good process for this unexposed portion removal. Okay. So etching process is a dry process, wet process. So here we make solution, acidic solution. Okay, HCl and hydrogen peroxide. Okay. So thank you for this. I think you understand all these steps. Okay. So thank you.